How's it going, everyone? It's Reversal Trader King, where we catch the most precise tops and bottoms in the stock market. Today, I want to talk about a ticker called FSR, and I want to go over exactly how I find these tops and bottoms, and go over the reversal strategy, and give you a little brief um, showing of how this works. Okay, so yeah, this stock right now has been beaten a lot, so let's get right to the chart. So I always go from bigger time frames to low time frames. I'm just going to do the weekly and the daily. The weekly is to get a big picture of the chart so we can see, and then the daily is where I'm going to make my precise entry. So as you can see, there's three bands. You have the red, blue, and green. I'm just going to go over the basic. These are Keltner channels, and when the price exceeds over the red one, it is a sell zone. And these are customizable settings, so it's not going to look like this just right off the chart. Just keep that in mind, guys. So right here, the price gets way above it. Um, I don't know. Was this when it IPO'd? Yeah, this is the very beginning. So yeah, it gets way above it, and then it sells off. Um, and then price gets close to here and sells off, close to here, sells off. And so the price is always going to want to magnet to this blue line right here. You'll never see price not touch it. It's going to eventually touch it. We just don't know when. Okay, so now we're into a weird circumstance where the price is actually getting relatively close to our green band now. That doesn't mean we automatically buy it. Disclaimer, I am not in this right now because there's other stuff that we got to look at. So this is good to see the weekly close to the green band. And then we go to the daily. You obviously want to see a clear Pearson price to make an entry. So we do see a clear Pierce right here and here, and then the price goes up to here. So if you got it at 204, averaged in some more at 181, it goes up to 232, gives you a nice little gain there. I did not take it here because there's other little factors that I'm looking for that did not quite meet my criteria to get in this just yet. As you can see, we are continuing to go down. But realistically, I think you should take this little gain if you did get in. But do keep in mind, on the daily, like I said, price will magnet to this blue line. You see how we have not yet touched this blue line. It always touches the blue line. It will touch it. And then the longer it doesn't, like this, you'll have an explosive move up. So yeah, it's always touching. And I'll go over examples. Let me see if I can find, here we go. Kind of touches it and goes up, gets close, and then here we go. Goes back to the blue line. So just taking this, I mean, there's a long up wick right here, and it goes very good to like swing trade for sure. This was a massive short right here, and it sells off. But like I said, I always take profit at the blue band because you never know. It could hit this and go up. It doesn't mean it has to go down. This was a great buy entry, but it didn't quite pierce the green band. Here was a great entry. So we're at a point where, like in the history of this thing, we finally have like a decent buy signal. So now, like, what do you do with this? So we know there's a buy signal. Buyers are going to come in. We know that the blue band has not been touched since 10/18, October 18th is the last time, and now it is it's been over a month since this has touched. So that is rarely rare. So the price is going to want to touch it and then it can go back down. But if it just touches it, you're looking at a price. A price target as of now with this video is 2.9, $2.90. And the top is $4. That is a longer term target. All right, so keep that in mind. So we have other factors. So we have the KDJ. Lower the K on the KDJ, the better the buy signal. We have a 3.67 on the K. That is really low. Anything below, I'm looking below 3. But that is actually really low. And you'll get a nice little bounce from there. And then I have other things. I can't discuss everything. There's so much things I look at. But just looking at the basic, generic, simplistic view this strategy. That is what you're looking for. This right here is becoming a really great buy signal. And before I get into further, I will alert to you guys when I get into it through my Discord. Because there's two other things I look at in TradingView that are premium alert indicators that really give you a defined, like, high probability of success. But that gives you a good success too already. But join the Discord. There is a premium chat, a real-time buy alerts. This section right here that I'm not gonna click it because it'll show you some real-time buy alerts, and it's for the premium members. We have a server shop. It's $5.99 monthly subscription. You don't have to do any research. You don't have to set up anything. I do all the research. I do all the finding the stocks. I do all the patience. You don't have to be patient. When I get in, I'm going to alert it into the real-time buy alerts, and all the premium members that paid that monthly subscription will get notified exactly when I enter, and then that is when you can enter too. And then I have also in the premium, I have accumulation rolls that you will find out, and then I have if you want to have exactly what you see on your chart and on mine, I do have the setup video, and then the premium chat, which is I can do one-on-one coaching, answer any questions, answer any plays you are in that you want me to just look at. I'll give my honest opinion on it. But yeah, that is it. This is Fisker. It is looking really good for almost a buy opportunity. I am not in it right now, but I will alert it when I do get in it. But this is great. This is great, guys. Yeah, join the Discord. Very cheap. It's honestly, I don't know how else to make it cheaper than that. That's the lowest I'll ever go. Honestly, it should be a lot higher compared to what a lot of people pay. Um, that is. I'm going to keep it like that because I know a lot of people are struggling. But join the Discord. You'll get. I already have a real-time buy alert act. I have two real-time buy alerts that are active, and these are good because they are swing trades. You don't have to day trade, so you won't be constantly, oh, I got to sell it. You can be confident. You can work your job, hold this for a day, 2 weeks, and be fine. And I will let you know exactly when to exit and when I think is a good time to just take some profit. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is reversal trading, high probability of success, lots of back tests, so you're in good hands. I'm sure you'll like it. Come to the Discord, and I'll catch you guys later.